The Georgian branch of EcoVille has completed another major solar project within the framework of the Rural Development Program of Georgia, which is implemented with the support of the European Union and the United Nations Development Program. 77 solar systems with a capacity of 2.7 kilowatt peak each were installed in 48 Georgian villages. Thanks to EcoVille's solar systems, every family in the villages will have the opportunity to use 281 kilowatt hours of electricity per month for free. The installed solar systems will produce a total of 260,000 kilowatt hours of electricity annually, which enables the residents of the village to significantly reduce their electricity costs and direct the saved funds to other purposes. The project also has an environmental impact. The solar systems will prevent more than 166 tons of carbon dioxide emissions into the atmosphere. This large-scale project was realized thanks to the excellent work of EcoVille's skilled and experienced engineers and installation team. EcoVille, Georgia is ready to take on the most complex challenges using its years of experience and knowledge in the solar sector.